In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust skin tones using selective color in Photoshop. This technique is perfect for anyone looking to enhance or correct skin tones in their portraits. Now, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to select the skin area of your image. To do this, you can choose between the Quick Selection tool or the Lasso tool. The Quick Selection tool is ideal for those who want a swift and almost effortless option, as it allows you to paint over the parts you want to select. The Lasso tool, on the other hand, gives you more precision and is great if you need to trace the area carefully. Whichever tool you select, ensure that you cover all the skin areas you want to work on. Once your selection is ready, the next step is to add a selective color adjustment layer. This layer lets you refine the colors without making permanent changes to your original image. You can add this layer by navigating to the top menu and selecting Layer, then hover over New Adjustment Layer and click on Selective Color. This adjustment layer will appear right above your current layer, and you'll notice a panel popping up with various options. In the Selective Color Adjustment panel, you'll find a drop-down menu that allows you to target specific color ranges. Since we're focusing on skin tones, select either reds or yellows, as these are the primary colors that make up most skin tones. This choice ensures that the adjustments you make will directly affect your selected areas. Now let's move on to adjusting the sliders. These sliders allow you to fine-tune the color balance of the skin. Start with the cyan slider. Moving it to the right will increase the cyan levels, giving you cooler tones, while moving it to the left increases the reds, resulting in warmer tones. Next, adjust the magenta slider. Sliding to the right will add more magenta, achieving a pinker tone, while shifting to the left incorporates green into the skin tones. The yellow slider is your next stop. Moving it right increases the yellow hues, making the skin appear sunnier, while sliding left will introduce blue, cooling the tone a bit. Finally, take a look at the black slider. This slider is crucial for controlling the depth and intensity of the shadows within your skin selection. Increasing the black will deepen the shadows, giving more contrast, while decreasing it will soften these areas, offering a lighter appearance. As you move these sliders, don't be afraid to experiment with subtle alterations until you reach the perfect harmony of skin tones you desire. The key here is moderation, as even slight changes can make a significant difference. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering skin tone adjustments in Photoshop.